go?
So the goal of this is for me to start trying to open up my upper to mid back. It's easier if I hold here or place my arms up, but I want a tight stomach so this doesn't go into my low back. So I'm just going to lightly roll through here. If you want to go to one side a little bit, just to almost thinking as if you're doing an old time washing clothes over one of those wooden boards, and that would be your rib cage. At some point, if I want to get a little more of a stretch, I want to place my butt on the ground, tighten again, and I can find a spot where I just lightly do almost like a crunch, but I'm just trying to open my chest more, opening my chest back and forth, versus just sitting here. If I just flop into my low back, it's not really doing this stretch justice.